Scheduling an appointment with financial aid.
You're going to go to untdallas.edu, and under the blue menu bar towards the top, hover your mouse over Admissions and Aid, and then scroll down and click on Financial Aid and Scholarships. On this page, directly below the first paragraph, you'll see Need to make an appointment with financial aid, and there will be a blue link that you'll left click on that will take you to an appointment scheduling page. And so from here, you're going to click on virtual appointment, and then you're going to select one of the days that you are available, and then there will be available times that you can choose. So say you want to schedule a 10:30 a.m. virtual appointment. You will go down here, fill in your name. Be sure to put your student email, a good phone number for you, your student ID number, and then a brief description on what you would like to discuss during your appointment. And then the last step, you're going to click on book, and then you'll get a confirmation that your appointment has been scheduled.